I'm working with wind turbines, doing maintenance and repair on them. It's a very exciting job, but it's also demanding. You need to stay sharp and focused and always on your toes. A lot can go wrong on a day, so the less I have to think about that, the more I can focus on my job.
The ultra-high pressure business is going towards lighter and smaller tools. That means that the working pressures are increasing over the time, and that puts extreme demands on the safety. CEJN has always been in the forefront of developing safe products, and the next generation is a good example of that. For instance, we have the new locking ring, which prevents unintentional disconnect.
This tool works with over 1,000 bars, so I don't even want to think about what could happen if one would accidentally disconnect. It's good to know that the product is as good as it can be. The extra safety lock makes it much easier for me. I don't have to worry about the disconnect, and I can climb around and feel more comfortable doing my work.
Our service technicians work in a very tough environment up in the turbines, and the safety for them is most important for us. We always try to do our best to make their work environment as safe as possible and use high-quality products so that they can do their job more efficient and in a safe way.
We are at MAN Diesel and Turbo, and we design and develop diesel engines for mainly the maritime business, which is designed here and then it's built in Asia by licensees. We produce a product that must always run, so you can say safety and reliability is of the utmost importance for us. So we must have something that we can rely on and always rely on. And that's why we're working with CEJN. It has been for many years. I think they have the right mindset. They take safety seriously and they know the responsibility in the market, and which is also a requirement. If you work with high pressure hydraulics, then you must be able to understand the impact it can potentially have on people.
Another really important part is testing. Each coupling that leaves our factory has been tested, and there's really no margin for error. The end user should not need to think about safety at all. We are responsible for that.
I have a fantastic job, but there's no room for mistakes or bad equipment, so safety is really important to us. Therefore, I really appreciate there's companies like CEJN who put safety first.